Welcome to the podcast. Why are we fighting among ourselves? Why are we debating among ourselves? Why are we going back and forth among ourselves? Why? About whether all black people are from Africa or not. What is the need? What solution does that bring to the table? Huh? What solution does that bring to the table? Because at the end of the day, everybody gonna still be in their same position. So what solution does that bring to the table? I don't get it. We are distracted enough. We have so much distraction going on for us to create another one for ourselves. Whether all black people are from Africa or not, guess what? The system doesn't care about that. All the system see is black people. Don't you get it? Don't you get it? The system is like a stray bullet. It doesn't care where your origin is from. All the system see is black people. So why are we even going back and forth with this? Why? There's no need for us to keep arguing about this. Okay? Keep our eyes on the ball. The system is the ball. The system is our distraction, our obstacles, our problem. Why are we taking the focus from that and put it on something that doesn't mean anything? Whether we are all from Africa or not, that's not the point. We are in a critical junction right now. Okay? So why are we creating additional distraction for ourselves? Whether we are all from Africa or not. If another black person said they are not from Africa, their origin is from America, whether it's Central, South, North America, it doesn't matter. If they say their origin is from the Dominican Republic, it doesn't matter. If their origin is from Jamaica, it doesn't matter. What matters is we are black people. We need to get that. It's not about our origin. The system does not see the origin. The system does not divide us per origin, where our origin is from. The system see black people, and that's it. That's what we should focus on. Because our struggles, our problems are the same. And creating something like that, bringing, focusing on that little differences, it brings division. It weakens us. It weakens our position. So let's focus on the real ball. Okay? Africa already has billions of people. So there's no need for us to keep going back and forth. If people say they don't want to trace their lineage back to Africa, so be it. Okay? I don't think that's an insult to the continent. If somebody said they have no connection to Africa, that's not an insult, in my opinion. Okay? It's not, about where you are from. It's where you grew up. Because environment matters a lot. And the environment we are in right now, we should focus on that. Because our problem, our obstacles are the same. And the system see us as one people. So why can't we understand that? Instead of just focusing, my culture is different from your culture, my traditions are different from your tradition. Let's respect each other tradition and culture. I say, let's respect one another. Let's understand that at the end of the day, we are one people. Okay? We are one people. And unity is strength. Unity is power. We should not lose focus on that. Let's pay attention that the system see us as one people. That's it for me. I will see you in another episode, guys. Thank you for watching.